Hey, do you struggle with descaling your DeLonghi coffee machine? Do you know how to personalise your coffee drinks or set up your new Pinguino air conditioner for its first use? Do you want to learn how to get the best out of your DeLonghi appliances and prolong their lifespan? If your answer is yes, then this is the right channel for you. I'm Kelly and I'm happy to welcome you to the DeLonghi How-To channel. DeLonghi is the global brand that offers consumers innovative products with a unique combination of style and performance that always turn everyday activities into something special. We manufacture appliances for the home, for comfort, and kitchen. However, coffee machines represent the heart of our brand. We provide quality machines to true coffee lovers across the world, and we want them to get the best result in cup. Ooh. Perfetto. In this channel, we provide you with simple video instructions for using and maintaining your DeLonghi appliances, which will help you to explore your new products, ensure their longer lifespan, and to get the very best performance from them. We also explain the finer details of how DeLonghi products work, revealing the full functionality of the appliance. Check the product playlist to learn what comes in the pack, how to set up the appliance for its first use, how to navigate the control panel, and how to maintain the appliance properly. We regularly post new videos, so subscribe to our channel to discover even more hints and tips on making the most of your machine. And enjoy your DeLonghi product for years.